Let's start. Today we will see how to plot a table in HTML. In the body tag, we have a table tag. Inside the table tag, we have a tr tag. Tr stands for table row. This tag defines rows of the table. Inside the first row, we have some th tags. Th stands for table header. So this first row would work as the header row. And we have written some header texts here. Inside the second row, we have some td tags. Td stands for table data. And we have written some data here. Similarly, inside the third row also, we have written some data inside the td tags. Now, by default the table does not have any borders, so we have written this style tag inside the head tag. Here we have defined the border for the outer layer of the table, the header row, and the data rows. By default, each and every cell of the table would get a separate border like this. So to avoid that, we have specified this collapse attribute that only shows the separation borders like this. So that's it. That's how you can implement a table in the HTML. Thank you.